I chose USF because it was accessible and it gave me the opportunity to receive their certificate quicker than the surrounding colleges. I think there's also a sense of pride when you choose a university over a college. And I received the one-on-one support that I knew I was going to need going through the program. It allowed me to explore a new career path without sacrificing the time and energy I needed to put into my current career trajectory. The certificate program I was in integrated real-time hands-on learning into a professional goal I had within my career. It was real material. It wasn't just words on paper, it was actual work that I was doing here within Raymond James. Worthwhile.